Imagine a library. Not just any library, but a vast archive containing every piece of information imaginable. Facts, figures, names, dates, stories, and secrets, all stored within its boundless shelves. This is the world of databases, and SQL is the key to unlocking its wonders. SQL stands for Structured Query Language. Think of it as the language spoken by the all-knowing librarian within this grand archive. With SQL, you don't need to wander aimlessly. You can communicate your information needs directly, receiving precisely what you seek. This magical library isn't built for casual browsing. It's a place for precision. You don't ask for something interesting to read. You request specific information using SQL as your guide. Need the population of Tokyo? SQL will fetch it. Want to know the best-selling book of 1982? SQL will retrieve it in an instant. SQL isn't a language of complex incantations. It's a set of straightforward commands designed for effective communication. Want to find specific information? That's a query. Need to add new data? That's an insert. Updating existing information is done through, well, an update. And if a piece of data is no longer needed, you instruct the librarian to delete it. These 4 commands, query, insert, update, delete, form the core of SQL's lexicon. Each command is like a precise instruction to the librarian. Find me all records of blue whales, you might say. Or, add this new discovery about the Andromeda Galaxy to the astronomy section. With each command, the library reconfigures, presenting you with the information you desire. Within the world of databases, there are many libraries, each with its own character and purpose. MySQL is like your friendly neighborhood library. It's approachable, easy to navigate, and perfectly suited for handling the information needs of a bustling community. Need to manage customer data for your online store? MySQL can handle it. Building a website that requires user logins and profiles? MySQL is up to the task. MySQL is known for its speed and efficiency, especially when dealing with smaller to medium-sized data sets. It's like a well-organized library where the librarian knows the location of every book by heart. Section 4. The Great Library of Alexandria, PostgreSQL and its unbounded knowledge. If MySQL is the neighborhood library, then PostgreSQL is the Library of Alexandria reborn. Vast, powerful, and capable of housing knowledge of unimaginable complexity, PostgreSQL is designed for the most demanding information management tasks. Imagine tracking the trajectory of every star in the Milky Way, or mapping the complex relationships within a global ecosystem. PostgreSQL can handle these challenges with grace and precision. PostgreSQL is renowned for its robustness, reliability, and advanced features. It's the library for those who demand absolute data integrity and consistency, even when dealing with the most intricate and demanding data sets. Section 5 SQL, a history etched in data. The story of SQL begins in the 1970s, a time when computers were starting to manage increasingly large amounts of data. Researchers at IBM developed SQL as a way to interact with these burgeoning databases in a more intuitive and efficient way. Like the invention of the printing press or the development of the Internet, SQL marked a turning point in our ability to access, organize, and understand information. It provided a common language, a shared set of instructions that allowed humans to communicate with the rapidly evolving world of computers. Today, SQL is the bedrock of countless applications, websites, and systems that power our digital world. From online shopping and social media to scientific research and financial markets, SQL is the unseen force organizing and retrieving the data that drives our interconnected lives. So the next time you search for information online, withdraw money from an ATM, or book a flight, remember the silent language working behind the scenes. It's the language of SQL, spoken by the tireless librarians of the digital age, ensuring that the vast and ever-growing archive of human knowledge remains accessible, organized, and at our fingertips.